In this video, I'll show you how to fix League of Legends not opening on your PC. There are two simple methods you can try, so let's get straight into it. First, open Task Manager and go to the Details tab. Click on Name and press L on your keyboard to quickly find anything related to League. End all League of Legends processes. Then press R and do the same for anything related to the Riot client. Make sure everything is fully closed. Once you've done that, try launching the game again to see if the issue is resolved. If that doesn't work, move on to the second method. Search for Riot Client in your Start menu, right-click it, and select Open File Location. Do this again if needed to access the main Riot Client folder. From there, right-click on Riot Client Services, go to Properties, then Compatibility, and enable the available options. Click Apply, then OK. Next, go to the Riot Games folder, open the League of Legends folder, then the League client folder, and repeat the same compatibility settings there. After that, open the Game folder and apply the same settings again. If you have any desktop shortcuts for the game, make sure to apply these settings to those as well. Once everything is set, launch the game again and it should now open without any issues. I hope this helped. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.